Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag Satmore Makes, as well as hashtag Two Crafters, One Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and You See Why I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. This week's theme was camera. Next week's theme is bear. Hopefully you've had enough time to create some items with your camera or whatever you'd like. This week I am using the Picket Fence die, and this is Karen Girl, and she's really cute. I love how she turned out. Oops, that seems a little blurred. Hopefully you can see it. Anyways, love how my card turned out. That was my first time using her, and I've had this pie for a couple of years. And then I'm using this Sizzix die. I don't know what it's called. Anyways, it's by Stephanie Bernard. I recently picked this up from Spellbinders, and this is called Beveled Diamonds. Love this embossing folder. It's so pretty. And then I'm also using the Simple Story enamel dots from my craft spot. I am using, I want to say, Oh Snap and Click right there. And then from LDRS Creative, I'm using the basic picnic quilt, and hopefully you can see that. I'm using this die here. I think that's it. Nope. And I'm also using this die here. And this is the paper that I'm using. Oh, and it's Snap, and I'm using the pink polka dots out of there. From Peachy King Stamps, I am using several faces, and this is the Jill's favorites stamp set. And then also I am using from my creative time. This is the 3.75 by 4.75 card dies. And if you'd like to use my code MOE to purchase your set, you can go ahead and get 10% off your total purchase. On release weekends, it's 15% off your total purchase. So really like this set. Love it, love it, love it. And we're going to start off with this here. I added those Jill face sets on here. I don't remember what color I use. I want to say maybe Copic Color R20, the blush color, I think, but I'm not definite. But several faces that I use from that stamp set. And there goes the My Creative Time dies there, just super cute. And I also use that little reel there from the camera sets that I had. And there goes the old Snap and the enamel dots. There goes that LDRS embossing folder. Love how that looks. It turned out so cute. And then there goes the inside of my card there too. So really like that. But this one here is my favorite. I love how she turned out. That was my first time ever coloring her up. And I did look at a few things from Pinterest, so I was inspired by the colors from one of the people that colored theirs on Pinterest, and so I tried to recreate that, but my background is a little bit different, and I just thought she turned out so cute. I surprised myself in coloring her. And then there goes the inside. Let me show you the colors that I used for her skin tone, which is what I saved out, and I'm keeping these aside because I really like these colors. So from that Creative Expert, which is, it's the markers I picked up from Ross, really cheap, 2, 4, 6, 7. That's the color there. And then the other ones are Spectrum Noir. I use blush, and I use muted brown and soft brown. I did not save out the other colors that I used to color her up, but I just wanted to show you the skin tone colors. But she turned out so cute, and love the background beveled embossing folder from Spellbinders. Love that. It's just adorable. Anyway, so that's what I created for you this week. Hopefully it has inspired you to get out some of your camera dies or take a picture or whatever you'd like to do to show us your camera projects. We want to see them. Use the hashtag Crafters One Design or hashtag SatMoreMakes so that we can come over and visit your channels. That's all I have for you. Thanks so much for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day.